A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to learn a new application, a new software. Yes, it is Introduction to Scratch. Now, first of all, today in this video, we will be going through the introduction. Okay, this video is being made for standard 3rd to 5th. Okay, so pay attention in the introduction. Now, dear children, as you can see here, we are having the introduction. In that, Scratch is a computer programming language developed by the Lifelong of Kindergarten group by the MIT Media Lab. It was introduced in 2007 with the aim of teaching program technique to students. Scratch is free to download. Its latest version is 2.0. Now you can download this also from Google, or else you can go through the website and you can do the online also. Okay, it's like scratch.mit.edu. This is a website for online Scratch. It is scratch.mit.edu. Now, what does Scratch allows us? It allows us to create different programs. Okay. Now, how can we create programs in Scratch? Okay, tell me, you are seeing cartoons? Yes, आप cartoons बहुत देखते हो. उसमें animations होते हैं. For suppose it is Mickey Mouse, it is Tom and Jerry. तो वो कैसे होते हैं? सारे animated form में होते हैं. Yes. In the same way that animated cartoons we are having in this software. And you know what that animated cartoon is known as? It is known as Sprite. जो आपके कार्टून चैनल्स में आते हैं टॉम एंड जेरी, ओके, वो जो एनिमेटेड में होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज इन स्क्रैच इट इज नोन एज स्प्राइट. ओके, नाउ in that we can in this software we can add different sprites, we can add different backgrounds, then we can add many more things. We can even add sounds as well. Yes, we can add sounds and music as well. Now with the help of it we can create our story. Yes, you can create your TV show Tom and Jerry as well with the help of this software. Okay, so you all are like very interested and very curious to learn this chapter. Yes, let's start. Now, first of all, a project is made up of objects that are called sprite. It is a graphic element that can be moved, turned, shrunk, grown, etc. जैसे कि आपने देखा था आपकी कार्टून चैनल में. Yes, that cartoon, favorite cartoon Tom and Jerry. जेरी इतना बड़ा था, टॉम इतना छोटा था. सॉरी, मैम ने तो उल्टा बोल दिया. जेरी जो था वो इतना छोटा सा था एंड टॉम वाज सो बिग. देन इन सम ऑफ द एपिसोड्स वी आल्सो सॉ ये इसके कैसे वो बड़े हो रहे थे, छोटे हो रहे थे. इन द सेम वे इन स्क्रैच यू कैन आल्सो डू द स्प्राइट shrunk or grow bigger. What does mean by shrunk or shrink? Means उसको छोटा करते जाना. Understood? Next we are having now how to start the Scratch. Yes, in the same way as you are starting your PowerPoint and Excel by going in the start menu, then you can start. Okay, we are having both online and offline version. Now I will show you the online version which I am using. See here you can get the website name scratch.mit.edu. Understood? See, this is the application software which I was talking about. Here you can see an animated cat. Yes. Let's move on to further. Okay. Now first of all we will study what all the things a Scratch window is having. A Scratch window is having a menu bar. Okay, we have seen in Word also a menu bar is there. Now what all things the menu bar consists of? Pay attention on the labeling. Okay, this is known as Scratch logo. This is known as globe. Now in this globe you can take different languages. Yes, you can opt for all the languages used across the world. Then next here we are having file menu. Now as you all know, in the file menu we are having options like new, save, exit. In the same way in file menu we are having this. Then we are having edit menu. Yes, we are having the edited menu. In that you can have undo, redo, any other options like that. Next you are having, here you are having tips. Then stamps. Then scissors. Then grow sprite means उसको बड़ा करना. Shrink sprite means उसको छोटा करना. Then there is the block help. Now see, the edit menu has the option to change the edges of stage size, or it is the undo option as I have earlier told you. Okay, then the tips button gives us some tips or tutorials which we can use for our help. Duplicate, that is we can duplicate a stamp. I will show you that as well. Delete, now for what purpose delete is used? The scissors are used for the delete purpose. See, here you are having the scissors. Yes, this is used to delete a sprite or move anything from our project. Understood? Then we are having grow and shrink, that I have earlier also told you for what purpose it is used. Shrink is used to reduce the size. Yes, to reduce our sprite size. Next, now where you are all doing these things, हम लोग वो animated जो हमारा cartoon है, that sprite, we do it on a stage. Yes dear children, in the same way जैसे कि आपकी word window होती है, इस word में document area होती है, PowerPoint में होती है, in the same way in Scratch we are having a stage. On this stage we will place our sprite. Okay, that means we will place our object, and then we can format the background as well. Now whenever you are starting Scratch, okay, whenever you start the Scratch, a large orange cat appears, as I have shown you earlier also in our Scratch window. See, this is our Scratch window, and this is the orange cat that appears whenever you will open the Scratch window. Understood dear children? Yes. Next we are having then, now what are the things the stage button is having? It is having, here you are having a stage button, here you are having a green flag, and here you are having the stop button. Yes, now this is the stage button. Okay, the size is being fixed here. Then the green flag is used. हम लोग देखते हैं, हम लोग जब ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, we see the green flag जब हम लोग जाते हैं, स्टॉप होती है हमारी ट्रेन, then we move on. Okay, there's a signal of green and the red flag. Yes, so green flag allows us to go. In the same way, the green flag is used to start our project, okay, to run our project, and the stop button is used to stop our project. Understood? Green flag to run the project and stop button to stop the project. Is it clear? Next we are having sprite list, sprite information, adding sprite, adding a backdrop, and the last is script tab. Now we will learn more and more interesting things. We will move on to our sprite window. See dear children, this is our sprite window. Okay, here you are having the sprite list. This, yes, where sprite 1 is written, this is the sprite list. Then this whole box is known as sprite information. This whole box is known as sprite information. Here you can rename your sprite. Okay, you can write any name, then you can rename the sprite. Then here you are having the size. the direction. Now x and y, these both are the coordinates. These both are the coordinates. They tells us the position of the sprite on the stage. Means अभी जो position है वो यहाँ पे display होगी. If you want to change the position of the sprite, you can also do that. See, we can write, if for suppose 50 here and here, see the sprite is moving. Yes. And here we can write 90. See, the sprite is moving. So when you want to move a sprite, you can give the x and y coordinates. You can give them the value. See, here you are having the green flag. Here you are having the stop button, as I have earlier told you in your theory. Yes, dear children, understood? Here the sprite list we are having. Here the sprite name we are having, x and y coordinates we are having. See, here you are having full size screen control. You can control the full size screen as well with the help of it. Now on the left hand side you are having all these. These all are known as blocks. This area is known as block area. Understood? Yes, dear children, is it clear to you? See, here we are having, we will just take a quick review. Okay, Scratch, that was the home tab. Globe for the languages. File tab for save and new options. Edit for undo or any changes in the sites. Then tutorials or tips you can say. Here the file name will be displayed. Okay. Then from here you can save your project. Then this is the stage area where a sprite can be placed. Okay, the green flag, the stop button and the sprite you are having. Now how to add a sprite? Dear children, you can see here we can add a sprite with the help of this button. I will show you to you more clearly. Okay. See, here you are having choose a sprite. From here you can choose a sprite. Okay. You can paint it as well. You can surprise as well, or you can upload a sprite as well. You can choose a sprite that is from the gallery of the computer or laptop you are having. Understood? From these all are the options where you can have the sprite. See, if I can choose a sprite, I can just click on any one of the sprite. Here the sprite will be there. See, a sprite named Abby is here. Okay, a sprite named Abby. Understood how to add a sprite? From this option you can add a sprite. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Now we will do a small worksheet which is based on this video lesson. Yes, in this worksheet what you have to do, you have to just name these two pictures. Okay, the arrows are given to you. You have to just name these two pictures. You will watch the video carefully, you will see, and then you will name it. Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with the introduction part. If you are having any doubts, you can call me or message me. Till then, bye-bye dear children. God bless you all.